I've been open naman with Glyza na I've always wanted to work with her after the thing because that was an awesome, for me, awesome experience working with her. That's how we really became close. That's why when you were saying, nag-reminisce nga sa akin kaagad when you were saying that last scene, very raw, it was really real yung emotions namin because of letting go of a project that we really enjoyed doing. And I've been praying so hard na sana if ever there's another project, I would really love to work with Glyza again because it makes my job easier. And it came to a point na ito, nung dumating to sa amin, to do Contessa, but unfortunately, I will be playing the bad guy, which is ito yung pinaka, basta makatrabaho ko lang si Glyza, okay lang, kaya I'm sorry, I will be really mean to you. Yun ang ano ko sa kanya, pero it's always a joy. Actually, it's reunion forever. I've worked with Lauren sa Mundo Mo'y Akin. She played my daughter, now she's playing my sister. Next time, love team. Papamahin, ano yan? Papabaliktad yun. Fighters, I've worked with him maraming beses na Paraiso. So halos lahat reunion. Denise is going to be my first time working with her, pero it doesn't feel like first time ko siya makakatrabaho. So, everything is going back full circle, kumbaga. And I'm looking forward. And sana, I'm sure mamahalin nyo lalo si Glyza dito kung paano nyo minahal si Dading during Dading. Reverse naman si Glyza, mamahalin nyo dito at ako ay kabubusitan. As it.